Welcome to Fly Vision. We're going to tie that Hendrickson. I've used a bunch during Hendrickson hatches and really did work well. I have a size 12 dry fly hook here, and I'm using brown tying thread. You can use whatever thread you want. I'm pushing any thread brains, but it's EDOP. I'm going to try to keep the fly a little light, just a little bit. We're going to use this stuff for the body, believe it or not. Now we're just going to wrap the chenille around the cut. So when you get to this thread, tie her off real nice and tight. And always just tie it down better. That way it doesn't come loose. Now that we got to there, now we're going to go ahead and make a dubbing loop. Put the thread there. So I can get my bobbin out of the way while I do my dubbing. The dubbing I'm putting in there is Eurodip, flashed up, light hairs here. Now when I was tying this a while ago, using my UV high test point, but this stuff's just as good. We're just gonna offer pieces into the syrup, into the loop. Close this loop. My handy dandy spinner. In the loop. Don't worry if some of them jump out. I tend to have them. Now some jumped out. Pull them loose. Don't let them get away from you. Dub those onto the bottom. Let's kind of come in handy real safe. To do it this way. Ensure it's sliced and spun. You know what I'm gonna do? Kind of this counter wrap through the chenille. Put this stuff all the way back. Two them out there. And we're gonna bring it back up through the chenille. My dubbing slipped away there. We'll dub some more on me. Ready to tie its right up. Tie it off. This on back. Chop that. Pull loose whatever you got there. You got a bunch stuck up, all you gotta do, you can just take a needle and kick it loose. Happens sometimes. Pull those back over that bar, you can trim them up. A good trick to trim them so they're not square is to cut them on an angle. And then we're gonna take just a wee bit more dub. This time, we're gonna dub it on there good. Bring it on back here. So we got that done. And now the hackle. I'm like done hackle for this. Check the lengths of my fibers. Well, longer than that. That's pretty good. If you pull off some, the way that side there, that way when you tie it in, you go around and it'll make the feather lay right. Capside in, and stroke everybody back. Just turn in front of turns. Just 2 turns. Hand hackle. Just gonna tie that down. Just gonna fold it on back. Wrap right over it. Making a head. I got this piece of dubbing up there. Just snip that off. We're a little sick here. I'm just gonna yep. You can always do that. Sometimes the hand hackle will lay in little seconds in there. Now we're gonna wet finish. I like to put my finger on where my width is. That way that you can ensure that the thread won't chop off in case you're not wrapping it too tight. But pull third, snip it, and get out your trusty old salad. Don't worry if you get a little on the butts of the hackle, it's totally fine. It'll still come to life. Now, what I want to show you about this fly is you can fish it wet as an emerger, fish it dry in the film as a cripple, and then you can even do this. Just stroke all the fibers forward. Stroke them all forward. And then hit that with your grease, your gain, whatever you're using for like dry. Just go like that with it. Stroke it back and then do like that again and fish it like that. Thanks for watching.